Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get rid of your profile or account on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC. After that, what you need to do is open Pinterest and log into your account. The next step is to go to your profile, go to your settings over here. So you can see the drop down menu, tap on it and click on settings. After that, you can go to account management, scroll all the way down and you can see the deactivation and deletion option. If you want to deactivate your account, you will temporarily hide your profile, pins and boards. And if you want to delete your account and data, you can permanently delete your data and everything associated with your account. If you want to deactivate your account and come to Pinterest in a while, you can do that. Or else if you want to quit Pinterest and delete your profile and account forever, you can do that as well. To deactivate, just go ahead and click it, click continue, and you can see you can click on any of these, click on deactivate account, wait for a while and your account will be deactivated. If you want to log in once again, just go ahead and select your Google account, wait for a while and you will be logged in once again. So you can see that you were deactivated, but once you try to log into your account, you can do that. And if you want to permanently delete your profile and account, you can do that too. Go to account management and you can see delete your data and account. Go ahead and click on delete, click continue, and then your account will be deleted. That means that deleting your account means you won't be able to get your Pinterest reports back or your Pinterest account data will be deleted as well. So if you're sure to do this, just go ahead and continue, and there you go. This is how you get rid of your Pinterest profile or account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.